Right, the temperature alarm is going off on my little excavator whenever it's turned on, so there's a fault there somewhere. Possibly a loose wire or something, or the sender is faulty. I did find a rat's nest in there a few months ago, so it could have possibly eaten through a wire or something. So I'll see if I can get in there and see what's going on. They're not that easy to work on, these things, because they're all sort of boxed in. I'll take that seat off and see if I can get through from above. 4 bolts there maybe. So that'll be the wire there. That's the one. I don't think it's that sensor, because when I ground that out it doesn't make any difference, and when I have an open circuit it doesn't make any difference. But there is another one over that side, so possibly it's that one there. I'll pull that out and have a look. So that's the gauge one there. So it must be this one here, I think. I'll take this off and see what's going on in there. It could be a problem behind that. How do we get that off? Alright, we'll test continuity between this end and that wire. Yeah. Alright, there's no break in there. They're quite corroded actually, so I'll give those a bit of a clean up and try again. Yeah, it's not looking too fresh in there. The buzzer there, and look at all these components, they look quite rusty there. I think that's the problem there. There's a little blown component right in there. I don't know if you can see that, but the top's blown off it, so I'm guessing that is possibly the problem. I think that's a diode there, mostly diodes, but I'm not sure what that is. It's a slightly different colour. I'll see if I can clean all that dust off and see what that is. Yeah, I think it is a Zener diode. Like, what value would that be? I don't think anything else is blowing. So I found a Zener diode on this old circuit board. I'll take that off and try that. Let's see what happens. Alright, so it goes that way. Right, so I've got that new diode on there. It's pretty close to the voltage range, so we'll try that and see if it makes a difference. I'll just turn it on, run it like that, and see if it's made a difference. Okay, so it's still... Aha! Looks like we've fixed it. The light has gone off now, so that's awesome. And we'll try shorting that wire and see what happens. Alright, fixed. Easy as that. Brilliant. Oh well, looks like that's the problem solved. The light and the alarm have gone off, and it still works when I short it out. So that was a nice easy fix. So I'll put that all together and carry on working. I'm just making a flat area for my little band sawmill I've just picked up. It's got to be 8 meters long and about 2 meters wide. So I'm just clearing a little space there, because we get a lot of big kanuka trees falling over here. They just fall over in the forest and rot away, so I want to sort of make the most of them.